Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install Java in your Windows operating system. So let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss any update. So let's get started. So first of all we are going to check whether Java already installed on our system or not, and then we are going to see how we can install Java. So for check, search here cmd and right click this and click the run as administrator. And once your command prompt is open, just write here java space hyphen version. If it says Java is not recognized as an internal or external command, that means most probably the Java JDK is not installed in your Windows operating system. For downloading Java, let's get started. So we are going to open our browser and search for here Java JDK, and first link which are going to appear here, the oracle.com. So I'm going to provide the link, the description below also. Just open the link which is from oracle.com. So once this website is open, you can see at the time making this video, the Java 16 is the latest version, and you can download it by clicking JDK download link. I'm just click on the JDK download, which is going to open this kind of web page. So here you need to just scroll down and locate Windows operating executable file. You can see here locate Windows x64 installer. We will choose this one, and you can see this executable file for Java 16 you can download. So click on this link, so it will start download the executable file. It will ask some license agreement, so just click the checkbox and then click just the download button. Our download it started. So once the executable file downloaded, I'm going to just open the folder and double click this file. So now you can see that the installation wizard has been started. So I'm going to just click on next, and this will be the location where your Java JDK will be installed. So if you don't have reason to change it, just leave it as by default. So just leave it as default and then click on next, and then just wait for the installation to complete. After some time, you will see this message. It says Java AC Development Kit 16.0.1 64-bit successfully installed. That means Java is installed on our Windows operating system. So I am going to just close this window, and let's see where our Java JDK installed in our operating system. Just go to this PC, then click on the local drive C. Then we are going to the program files, and here we can see the Java folder. I'm going to this folder. Here inside the Java folder, here you can see JDK 16.0.1. Now the newer version of Java JDK, you will not see JRE folder here. JRE comes with the JDK bundle, so you don't need to separately install it. So just go inside the JDK. So now we are going to set the environment variable for our Java command work with it. So you need to go inside the bin folder. For just copy this path up to the bin folder. So to set the environment variable, you just need to search envi and you will see this result here. It's say edit the system environment variables. Just click on the result and then here you need to go to this section which say environment variable. Now you can add the Java bin environment variables here. Under the system variable you will see the path variable. So just select this and just click on edit, and here you need to click on the new and add here the path which you copy. Once you have add this, just click on OK. And also some application require Java home to be added into the environment variable. So to add the Java home in your environment variable, you can just click on the new, and under the new system variable, the variable name, just write Java underscore HOME, all in capital, and the variable value will be the JDK folder path. So you just need to go up to the JDK folder. Here you can see you don't need to go to the inside the bin folder. Okay, so up to the JDK folder, just copy the path and just paste it in the variable value and click OK. With this is going to add the Java home variable in our system variable. Once you've done this, just click on OK and then click on OK. This means Java home variable and Java environment variable is added into your environment variable. So now what we are going to do, we are going to check whether Java command is working with our command prompt or not. So just close any other command prompt which you previously opened, and then again open the command prompt once again. Just search here cmd and run it as an administrator. And here we are going to once again check our Java version command. Just write Java space hyphen version here and press enter, and it's going to show the version of Java which we have installed, 16.0.1. So you can also run here Java C command. It will also show us the Java C version. So let's do something interesting. So let's compile a program with this Java C command. Here we're going to open our in file explorer, and here let's create a file. But before we create the file, simply checkmark the file name extension, which is going to show us the file name extensions. So I am just going to create a new file. So just right click and go to the new, and then let's create a text document, and I'm going to rename this hello world, and extension is Java. So make sure that no text extension is here, and then press enter, and which give you this warning. Are you sure you want to change it? I will say yes, which is going to create a Java file. So I am just going to open this file with Notepad. You can also open it like IDE, like NetBeans, Eclipse, or IntelliJ IDEA for this purpose also. But we are going to test whether Java working or not. So in this case, Notepad will be okay. So go to the open with and select here the Notepad. Now you can just simply write here hello world code. After write the hello world code, just save this file and open the command prompt here. Just write here cmd and press enter. Once your command prompt is open, just write here Java C and write here the full name with extension, which is hello world.java, and it will compile a executable class file which name is hello world.class. Now for show the output, we need to write here Java and only the file name, not need to extension. Just write here hello world and press enter. Now it will show us the output which is hello world. And that's all how you can install Java in your Windows operating system. Hopefully guys you enjoy this video. Make sure to like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment me below what you think about this video. Thank you so much.